Do the dance with the lobster in your hand.
Wait.
Don't drop it. Hold it with 2 hands. Wait, you're gonna break it. Do the floss.
What's his favorite part? The inside?
What's your favorite part? The inside or the outside?
Outside.
Oh, he likes the crispy shell. How you doing over there, Butch?
Good.
Not bad?
Not bad.
All right. It's your first one.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's see. How'd you do? Want to put it in the pan, see how it comes?
Sure.
All right, we'll see. The one trick with this, son, is when you make a lot of these, you got soft hands. Here, why don't I open it for you and you try to put the filling inside? Okay? All right, so here. Make a little hole over here. I guess you like them, huh?
Mm-hmm.
See, Carlo likes them. Put this like this, keep that like that. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Oh, yeah, man, you're pretty good at this. This is your first time?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Oh, that's a good one. Show everybody. See, chickens don't make ducks here. It's in his blood. Give me a taste.
Bye-bye. Tastes so delicious.
If you wanted to leave some comments in the comment section, right?
Mm-hmm.
Tell them to like, share, and subscribe, Carlo.
Like, subscribe,
And share.
share.
I guess me and Carlo will see you later, right?
Adios.
Adios.